Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, Dow Jones closed at 238 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 373 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 52 points positive. Some decent bounce back after a brutal sell-off in US market. Now, let's talk about FII and DII data. Now, I'm sure you would have guessed FII have sold close to 8,752 crores, but DII they bought close to staggering 12,000 crores. So big buying from DII. Now let's talk about some important datas. Now look at gold. Gold is now at $5,100. Silver is now at $84, and Brent crude is at $83 per barrel. On the other hand, crude oil is at $76.68 per barrel. Another thing that we have to watch very closely is look at rupee against dollars. Yesterday during our market only, rupee hit new all-time low. Now it is at 92.3868 dollars. So rupee is making low again. Every single day it's like rupee is falling non-stop against dollar. So this is the another main reason why FII will start selling again, because the way rupee is. Look at India VIX. Now during market, India VIX shot up close to 23%. Now the India VIX is at 21.14. So the fear amongst the investors has increased, as you all know, because of geopolitical tensions, war situation, what is happening between India and America, Israel and Iran. So because of which the India VIX shot up, and we all know what panic selling happened in yesterday market. Now look at Nifty. Even though after the second half, right, close to 2 or 3 o'clock, we saw a sharp rebound. Like I was telling you that don't short at this levels. Market can give you bounce anytime because market is highly oversold, and exactly that's what happened. Now look at Nifty. Nifty closed at 24,480. It made a low of close to 24,300. From there we got a bounce close to 24,480. Now the support is at 24,000 and the resistance is 25,000. Whatever low yesterday Nifty made, I don't think so that's the bottom, and I don't even think that's a very strong support for Nifty. That support can be broken and we can even touch 24,000 in coming days, looking at what is happening geopolitically and all over the world. So that we have to look into. So Nifty fell by close to 385 points. Bank Nifty fell more than 1,000 points. So look at the support of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty support is emerging at 58,000 and the resistance is now at 60,000. Sensex fell by close more than 1,000 points. But surprisingly, if you look at IT was positive. Rest all the sectors, you can name the sectors: energy sectors, reality sectors, pharma sectors, auto sectors, FMCG sectors, almost all the sectors. Look at L&T. L&T shares tanked 10%, right? Because they have a huge exposure in Middle East, Gulf countries. That is why, as Iran is striking the Gulf countries, they have a huge exposure in Gulf countries. So because of which, look at L&T shares. L&T shares tanked 10%. But surprisingly, look at IT. IT was positive. IT and India VIX, these are the two things which you can see green in the whole India indices. So this is the situation currently. Still, I don't think so 24,300 is the bottom, and I don't think so market can reverse from here. Yes, we can see some bounce, but still I'm not convinced that 24,300 is going to be the strong support for incoming days. That can be broken and we can touch to 24,000 very soon if that low is broken. So this is my view. Still no buy for me and no short for me. Still I'm waiting, sit back and wait and watch. Let the market to be settled. But stock specific, yes, you have opportunity. Stick with metals. Look at Hindalco, look at Vedanta, stick with SBI, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. All these stocks can do very good. And even in portfolio, you can shift into these stocks: metals, PSU banks, SBI, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. All these stocks you can shift into. So these stocks are safer as compared to small and mid cap, as compared to big stocks like Reliance, HDFC Bank. All these stocks fell non-stop, and left, right, center people were shorting these stocks. So this is my view. I hope you would have learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care. Trade with stop loss. Remember. Bye.